Hi there everyone, just a quick lesson on angles in parallel lines and specifically vertically opposite angles. Alright, so there are a few lessons on angles in parallel lines, but this is one where basically two lines cross each other making an X shape, which means the angles which are opposite are equal. Alright, so just a really kind of quick summary of that. So if you've got two lines which cross each other, so it's not really about parallel lines, but it comes across, is that if you've got two lines that cross each other, by definition, this one and this one are both the same. Alright, so therefore also this one and this one would both be the same. Alright, and they're called vertically opposite. Alright, don't know why they're called this, they're vertically opposite, but that is the words that it tends to kind of come across, but they're opposite each other, definitely. Okay, so find the size of an angle X and gives a reason for your answer, and that's probably the only reason why I'm spending time on this in terms of a lesson, is that the idea of you knowing what the reasons are behind it is quite important. Alright, so if you're given a situation and you have to figure out what X is, then that one plus that one, sorry, that one equals that one, because they're vertically opposite to each other. Alright, now in an exam, obviously they will be looking for your clarification as to why you've worked out what you've got or where you've got it from. Now that could be annotated normally on a diagram as well and accepted, but of course I'm worried that you would not get the marks if you don't write what it is that you're doing and why. Okay, so please, when you're doing, by all means write 42 here, but obviously make a note of it being why it's 42, because it's opposite. Alright, because again the examiner is looking for why you've got the angles and where you've got them from. Okay, so there you go. So please, if you're not quite sure or you need a bit of practice on that, then visit maths-school.co.uk. A bunch of questions for you to kind of practice looking at vertically opposite angles. Okay, thanks for listening.